Hey, TikTok enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a quick and easy tutorial for you on how to add a link to your TikTok bio. If you've been wondering how to share your favorite website, social media, or any other link, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, open your TikTok app and make sure you're logged in. We're about to jazz up that bio. Head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. That's where the magic is going to happen. See that Edit Profile button? Give it a tap, and let's get ready to personalize your bio. Now here's the game changer. You'll find a section to add your Instagram, YouTube. Choose your app. Tap on it. It will ask you to log into your profile. After login, your link will be added. I will add my YouTube channel link. Once link is added, go back to your profile and test it. And there you have it. You've just upgraded your TikTok bio with a clickable link. Now your followers can easily check out your latest content or connect with you on other platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating and happy TikToking.